Fifth grade ESL students, this is Mrs. DeCesar. I'm back with you to do some speaking, reading, listening, and writing activities. First thing is speaking. Looking at the picture, tell an adult or your siblings, what do you see in the picture? What are the colors? What are the sounds? What are the shapes? What are the feelings that you get from the picture? Number 2, what is the girl doing in the picture? Number 3, why do you think she's doing it? And number 4, what do you think she will do next? Making a prediction. I'm going to show you a background video about an avalanche. The avalanche is in our story today, so I'm going to show you what that means. Let me back it up. So we're watching all that snow and everything slide down that mountain. It's a little crazy. But that is what an avalanche does. Okay, so putting my back on. All right, back we go. Here are some words for the avalanche story. The first word is tumble. And just thinking about what that means, like what's happening to the boy. Okay, and then the next one is a ski lodge. A ski lodge is, obviously what, I want you to think about, what it is and what do you think a ski lodge is used for? And it's obviously near the avalanche. And then the last one is chunk. What is a chunk? What is this? What is a chunk of snow? That is in our story today. All right. And then we have the story Avalanche. And I'll read it to you. A thick sheet of snow lay at the top of a steep ski slope. The bright sun warmed the snow all day until a small chunk broke off and tumbled downhill. A second piece broke free, and then all at once the whole sheet began to slide. The snow picked up speed and roared down the mountain. It ripped up the trees and rocks in its path as it headed straight for the small ski lodge below. All right, I want you to go back and take your time and then to visualize what happened in the story and how the avalanche works. So doing beginning, middle, and end. All right, next listening activity. You'll need your paper and pencil. Important words are upper and bottom, on, top, and above, and next to we've done before. So I want you to use the next slide. So when you're setting up your drawing, you're going to have this little dog on the left side of your drawing. Okay, so if you want to just quickly draw him, pause the video and then quickly draw him and then come back and see if you can draw the rest of it. Ready? Draw a boy above the dog. Draw a girl next to the boy. Draw a small boy in the bottom right corner. Draw a pad of paper in this boy's hand. Draw a pencil in his other hand. Draw a dad with his daughter next to the small boy. Draw a door in the upper right corner. Color the picture. You could also write a sentence underneath about what's going on in the picture. All right, last part. Today's writing prompt is, what is your favorite food? Do you ever get tired of eating it? Why or why not? So second and third grade, your goal is to write one paragraph, remembering that we do a topic sentence, those juicy details, and a conclusion sentence. And fourth and fifth grade, your goal is to do 2 paragraphs. A lot of times when I ask all of you your favorite things, you tell me that you have more than one answer. So here you go. Write one paragraph for one food and 1 paragraph for another food. But I really want you to think about, we've talked about like the colors of things, like what does the food sound like when you eat it? What does it look like? What are the colors? Things like that. How does it make you feel when you eat it? It's your favorite food. All of those things could go into your paragraph. All right.